Welcome to Chapter 10, Lesson 1. This chapter is all about decimals, but this chapter uses American money as a way to demonstrate decimals. So I just want to go over American money with you first. Okay. In American money, the dollar is the one value. It's the value that will be to the left of the decimal point. And this is what a dollar looks like. Okay, it's always cash. Well, it's generally cash. Okay, then everything else is based out of 100. Okay, so you'll either see money just represented here and here, because this is the 100th place. So everything else is building to the 100. And a penny looks like this. And this represents 1 out of 100. Penny is 1. So you need 100 of these to make a dollar. So if you only have 1 penny, you have 0.01. Okay, this is a penny. Right, the next is a nickel. And a nickel represents 5 out of 100. Whereas a decimal would be 0.05. So you'd need 20 of these to make a dollar. Okay, then we have the dime. It's tiny, but it's worth 10 out of 100. But as a decimal, because it's now at 10, we'll put the 1 in the 10th place. So as a decimal, it would look like this, 0.1. And the last one is the quarter. And it represents a quarter, or 1/4, of a dollar. And 1/4 of 100 is 25. So it's 25 out of 100. And as a decimal, looks like this. Okay, so that's just our quick review before we begin the lesson. So here it says, Kendra has $1, 3 dimes, and 5 pennies. So $1, 3 dimes, and 5 pennies. Model this amount in a place value chart. Well, we know that a dollar is equal to 100 cents. 100 cents. Cents is pennies. So we have $1. $1 is the whole, so write 1 in the ones place. 1 dime, so remember this is the dime, is 1 of 10 equal parts. 1 of 10 is 1/10. So 1 dime is 1/10, or 1/10 of a dollar. But Kendra had 3 dimes. So we have 3 in the tens place. It's basically 30 cents. It's 30 out of 100. 1 penny is 1 of 5 100 equal parts. Right? It's 1 out of 100. 100th. So 1 penny is 1/100th, or 1/100 of a dollar. And Kendra had 5 pennies. So write 5 in the hundredths place. The decimal that represents the amount of money Kendra had is in dollars. It's $1.35. And we say it was cents on the end like that. $1.35. You can use models to represent decimals. So this is now our 1. This is a tenth. This is the 100th. Complete the place value chart that represents the fraction of the grid that is shaded at the right. Okay, well, we know this is a whole row, so that's 10. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths. And then there was just this little bit left. 2 out of 100. So we have 0 shaded here. And we have 4 tenths and 2 hundredths. So there are blank squares shaded out of a total of blank. So there are 42 shaded out of 100 total squares. Let's see, what should we draw today? Maybe let's draw a trireme. Thinking Greek today. Some oars, maybe a nice sail. Okay, see you in class.